Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to fix WhatsApp notification sound not working. If you are experiencing issue with WhatsApp notification sound not working on your Android device, there are several steps that you have to follow. So first of all, you have to check your phone's notification setting. Make sure that WhatsApp notification are enabled and that notification volume is turned off, and you can also try disabling do not disturb mode. Also guys, you can check WhatsApp notification. Open the WhatsApp application. Now go to settings. Now scroll down and search for notification, and make sure that the alert toggle is enabled for every notification channel. So hope you guys like my video. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.